Hello and welcome to the Clarified Better channel on YouTube, where we make videos and tutorials for people working in hotels. In this video, I am going to explain all about a very important report called the Manager Flash. The Manager Flash is a synopsis of the daily hotel statistics, and whichever property management software you use, you may get this report. Hey, welcome to the Clarified Better channel. I am Ramesh, the finance controller of this hotel. But before I begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will recommend you to do that. If you do subscribe, you can learn about a hotel concept in a minute or two on this channel. Also remember to press the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload a new video. And do not forget to share these video with your friends in hotels using the share button below. That way, they will also learn something along with you. Alright, so as I mentioned, in this video, I will teach you about the Manager Flash report. This report is made after the night audit and has information about the hotel revenue, rooms occupied, average room rate etc. It will also have information about revenue from food and beverage, spa and other minor operating departments. More importantly, the report also gives you an update of how many rooms were out of order the previous day. That is important to know since you can ask why it was out of order. A room that is out of order cannot be sold and should be brought back into inventory as soon as you possibly can. It can also be set up to show if you gave any complimentary rooms or had any house use guest. Finally, this report, in many software, will tell you the future 7-day, 28-day and 365-day business on books. All this information that you get in the report will help you to build a complete picture of the state of affairs of the hotel. This is a compulsory early morning read for me and is an important part of the MIS reports. In a previous video, I explained what is MIS. If you have not watched that video, do click the link above to see that video. Once the Manager Flash is made, we will usually distribute it to the managers and the general manager in the hotel. I will also send it to the corporate office for their file. Now, in case your property does not have a system that can auto-generate this report, you can also manually make it in tools like Excel. You just need to be really careful not to make any errors in the report. That is all about the Manager Flash report. Do check out our other videos, and keep returning to learn all about the hotels and the various departments. In case you wish to learn even more, you can get started for free at clarifiedbetter.com, where we have our academy of free courses that will help you with career. Bye for now.